Hi guys, welcome to TechCatAssist. In this video, I want to show you how you can enable and use feature Windows Sandbox. Windows Sandbox is the it's like a virtual machine inside in Windows that you can use for testing your applications or some software that you're not unknown from unknown sources. For example, if you have something that you need to test before roll out to your other departments, and you want to test something in the IT department or you want to test something at home, you can use Windows Sandbox. It's a safe environment, separate to your Windows. It's not going to harm your computer. So I'm going to minimize myself to the right hand side here, and then we can start. I can show you how you can enable it and how you can use it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press Windows key and R to get a run option, and then just gonna type in optional features.exe, and then I get a pop-up window in Windows features, and then scroll down, and to the bottom there should be one of the options should be Windows Sandbox. If you don't have that ticked, just tick it there. If you have ticked, then it means that you have already installed that. Okay, so just gonna press on OK, and now it's going to search for required files, and it's gonna install that feature into my Windows 11. Um, okay, so now it's gonna take a moment. Now after that, it's going to ask you to restart your computer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna restart my computer now, and I will pause the video and I will come back after when it's back on. Okay. Okay guys, so now I've restarted my computer. I'm back in Windows, so I'm going to show you how you can use the Windows Sandbox. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, on the left hand side, I go to Start, go All Apps. If you scroll down, and there should be there an option, Windows Sandbox. There it is. Okay. Now you can of course search for it as well on the left hand side. So as you can see, the window pops up. Now this is a separate environment. It's a separate to my Windows, so I can run absolutely anything on it. Okay, so I'm gonna open Edge. I can put it full screen as well. Open Edge. Of course, it's the first time that I'm opening Edge, so it's showing me these options here. So as you can see on the top, I can minimize that. It's like a virtual machine running in the background in sandbox mode. And I'm gonna search for some software to download. Let's say WinRAR. Okay, I'm gonna go down on WinRAR. I actually made some video on WinRAR before as well if you want to check it out. So I'm gonna install that. That's going to be downloaded to my download folder. Open file, install. Okay, done. So that comes up here. Downloads, that's where it was downloaded. So I'm gonna close Edge. Click on Start. If I go to all programs, WinRAR is here, okay? And I can test it. I can run the software and I can see, if there's any virus or anything, that it's not gonna affect your Windows at all. It's gonna affect just the sandbox version, which is very handy in case that you are not sure where is the software coming from, like maybe some kind of unknown source, and you need to test it before you're gonna launch it to your IT department or to other departments. So I'm gonna close this now. As you can see on the top, I can minimize that. I can make I can close it all together. So I'm gonna close this, and you get this message here. Are you sure you want to close Windows Sandbox? Once the Windows Sandbox is closed, all of its content will be discarded and permanently lost. Which means that anything that you've downloaded, anything that you've done here, is gone. Nothing stays there, and nothing stays in your machine. So I'm gonna run it again. I'm gonna show you Windows Sandbox. I have it here, and it opens for me again. Okay, so I can go full screen. Now there shouldn't be anything on it. Okay, so if I click on the folders, go to downloads, there's no WinRAR. If I go to all apps, there is nothing here. It's just like starting from the scratch. So I'm gonna close it again, and that's it. So guys, thanks very much for watching. I hope that you like it. If you have any comments, please put them below. If you liked the video, please click on like button. Of course, please subscribe to my channel. I'm still trying to get some more subscribers. It'll be very, very helpful. Check out my website. on the top the address TechCatAssist.com. And just you can buy some cool t-shirts, and you can check the news, IT news, some other stuff as well, tech guides. Yeah, and you can subscribe to our newsletter, to my newsletter. So yeah, thanks very much, guys. Take care. Thanks. Bye bye.